Alright guys, so good morning. Welcome to Hanep Buhay channel, and today we are going to feature about cryptocurrency news because I am also a crypto enthusiast. As a part-time self-employed worker, I also do the part-time or trading or full-time trading, so it depends on the season and times. Alright, so we trade if there's an opportunity to trade, and we work if there's no opportunity to trade. Alright guys, so here we are going to feature right now about the cryptocurrency news, about the latest news, coronavirus, how would it affect the whole stock community, the financial 1.0, and everybody is been shaken up globally right now. So we will proceed. So coronavirus fear shakes up markets, but crypto remains unaffected. Actually, guys, this is not uh, it also affect crypto at this moment because everybody's panicking, selling, but not that really bad compared to regular stocks. All right. But I will show you, I will give you the points why is it important, or why do I see the future in this cryptocurrency or blockchain technologies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and why do I see a potential in the near future. Okay, so let's proceed. The impact of the COVID-19, better known as the coronavirus, has finally started to hit the financial markets in a big way, but the crypto has remained relatively stable in normally volatile asset class. It has caused the stock market to tank, but safe haven assets like gold to surge. So the only thing that was surging right now is gold. But what might this mean for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market once volatility resumes? All right, so I see a really good surge in the near future about this, guys. So there could be some crypto will go 2x, 10x, or I don't know. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just taking this news as update for everybody, and uh, we are hoping to see a big move in the cryptocurrency space in the near future. So the Apple shares corrected by over 10%, causing the largest drop in over 6 months of growth. Wow. It has a largest drop. 10% is really big, for regular stocks. But now that the cases of the coronavirus are nearing 80,000 infected, with over 2,450 deaths. Actually, I've heard some news or on some articles in UK articles and US articles, and some even in Israel, that excuse me, that what's this? The tally is not really that accurate. It's been to minimal. Okay, they appointed it to minimal stage. so right now, it doesn't really matter, but actually what I could encourage to you guys is don't panic about the virus, because to man is limited, right? Man is limited, I tell you. But remember, God exists, Jesus exists, and by his blood you will be covered, and we will be covered by his blood, and this virus will not harm us, though pestilence may come. But as the Bible says, he's my refuge, he's my healer, he's my protector, and he is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, and every knee shall bow before him. Even the pestilence, even the virus shall not come upon us if we trust in the Lord, if we call on the name of the Lord. Those who call on the name of the Lord will be saved. And as the Bible says, if my people will humble themselves and turn from their wicked ways and seek my face, then I will hear from heaven and heal their land. So that's what is the Bible's talking about, guys. So we need to have faith in God, because we are not just physical beings, but we are also spiritual beings, guys. I'm telling you right now that you and I, we need Jesus to protect us from this devastation that is going to come. So let's go back to the cryptocurrency news, guys. So fears over the virus spreading as the impacting business operations in the global economy has caused the US stock market to tank. And the Dow Jones dropped 2.8% and the Nasdaq fell by 2.9%. Even Tesla, a stock that has gone parabolic in the recent weeks, fell another 6.5% amid growing concerns. Wow. Gold, however, the leading flight to safety, investors turned the during economic turmoil, has been surging as a result of capital protection, and it takes the Bitcoin's entire crypto market cap to move gold just 3% in the recent overs. So the recent over 7% move suggests that over 350 billion in value entered to the gold market in the last 2 weeks. Wow, that was really quick. So $350 billion. Wow. It is because they are afraid that fiat currencies can be contaminated. The fiat currencies can be contaminated and it can be transmitted through the viruses. So that's why they are looking about into gold and cryptocurrency right now. So by the way, this is a financial advice. You do your own research before investing in crypto and invest in your own risk. Alright? So stock market tanks, gold surges. So what about Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market? So the Bitcoin is often considered as the digital counterpart of the physical gold, sharing many of the same attributes. The crypto asset like Bitcoin are often designed to be deflationary and the features limited fixed supplies, much like the ferrous metal itself does. Alright, so the Bitcoin, it has only 21 million coin cap, okay? So no more or less, it will not also exceed only 21 million of Bitcoin supply. So imagine if that 21 million is already taken by people. So even a point of Bitcoin is going to be expensive, guys. Alright, and also Bitcoin is mineable through GPUs and miners. Okay. But I don't have time to mine. Especially the electricity is expensive here. Okay. So however, unlike the stock market that has been tanking and gold which has been skyrocketing, the crypto market has remained stagnant over the last weeks after spending all of 2020 surging thus far. And Bitcoin is up well over 50% year to date, and the other crypto assets like Ethereum are even more than double in the same time frame. So will they follow gold and search for further upward over coronavirus fears, or they will follow the stock market and collapse as more investors de-risk? There is a chance that crypto and Bitcoin simply does its own thing according to the data. There is a very little correlation between Bitcoin and the other markets. The chart shows the prices of the US tech stocks, US treasuries, gold and Bitcoin during the current round of the panic. So this three of these is strongly correlated during the times of stress, and the fourth does its own thing. So the chart illustrates how unreliable Bitcoin correlation with the risk assets are. So with a lack of the correlation, such as a new emerging asset class, It is not understood how Bitcoin and the crypto will ultimately perform in a recession. They were designed to wake a major recession, and it as means to avoid them in the future. However, the technology may be too young at this time to serve this purpose. Only time will tell the truth about what happens to Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market as coronavirus concerns take hold of the world. Alright guys, so here are the three things that I want to point out. I like cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, but I don't have one Bitcoin. I'm trying to accumulate tiny bits of Bitcoin, you know. And I'm more right now in the altcoins. So guys, here's what I see. Because of the virus, the fear of transmission or transmitting a virus from person to person using the fiat currencies, that's why people will move into a digital case or blockchain technology. Actually, in China, they're using WeChat Pay. WeChat Pay is one of their tools to receive payment wirelessly without contaminating other people with the virus. And actually, right now in China, they are burning their fiats that was contaminated in the whole state of in the whole city of Wuhan or other cities that's been contaminated with the virus. So this is where I see right now that cryptocurrency and Bitcoin has a great future, like Ethereum. I like Ethereum, guys. It's going to be the financial of the future. Alright guys, so if you want to know more about, I don't know guys if this is just theory or I don't know, but I just want you to watch the video or the movie Contagion. Is it Contagion or Contagious? It is a Hollywood movie that talks about a virus outbreak in China. I don't know guys, but it looks really similar to what's happening right now. Similar to what is happening right now, guys. So I don't know if the Hollywood is preparing us for the things that is going to come. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more updates in the cryptocurrency and other livelihood programs. Alright, so I'm gonna share it to you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day, folks. God bless.